Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is the .NET Framework 4 is not supported in this operating system in Windows 11 or any Windows that you have in your computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for optional features. Make sure you don't put any space in between of the words, then click on OK. And your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to continue and see a new window which is called Windows Features, where here you need to uncheck all of the box and click on next or OK and wait until it will be done. Once done, proceed to our next method. Our next method would be at the keyboard again. Press Windows and R key together, and this time you need to type for regedit. The moment you have typed that, proceed on OK. And again, your user account control will ask to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to run a new window called Registry Editor. Now here, you need to copy a path link which I'll be including at the description box below, which is this hkey underscore local underscore machine backward slash system backward slash control set 001 backward slash control and Windows. You can also follow the path by accessing it here at the left side of the screen. Okay, so click on enter, and by that you would be redirected to the Windows itself. You can also access it by going with hkey underscore local underscore machine, go with system, go with current control set 001, go with control and Windows. So here in the Windows, proceed at the center of the screen and look for a value named CSD version. Double tap to it and set the value data in 200. Once done, click on OK and close all of the paths that we have just opened. Close the registry editor window as well and check if your problem has been fixed. Try to install again your Microsoft.NET. I'm sure it will be working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.